Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Debbie. Now, Triangle Nursery is a family-run flower wholesaler supplying fresh cut flowers, sundries and accessories for weddings, events and special occasions throughout the UK. Now, we also have an online flower school known as the Academy of Flowers, providing inspirational and educational flower demonstrations for individuals that are just as passionate about flowers as we are. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a wreath entirely made from Eryngium. Now, Eryngium is perfect in the respect that it will dry naturally. It's perfect for a Scottish themed wedding or indeed hogmanay. A very rustic feel, however I would just say one word of warning. It does have little barbs on it which can be sharp, so if you are sensitive, I would recommend you either wear a skin barrier cream or indeed gloves. Now, literally my plant materials just consist of the Eryngium. Then I have a straw base that I'm going to create the design on. I have green twine and my trusty scissors. So let's get started. as always, I have 3 top tips for this design. So not only could you hang it on a door or on a wall, you could actually place a storm lantern in the centre with a church candle and have it as a table decoration. And then top tip number 2, other varieties of flowers that you could use are flowers that would dry naturally in situ. So hydrangeas and craspedia would work well, although you would need a lot of craspedia stems to complete this design. And then top tip number 3, there are several different bases that you could use. You could use a vine wreath, you could use a salix willow wreath, or indeed you could have a mossed wreath on a wire frame. So lots of options for this style. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode on our Triangle Nursery channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment any questions below. And for more in-depth demonstrations, guides and templates, join our monthly membership or standalone courses on the Academy of Flowers. Thanks again. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.